Hey everyone, Gman here again for Gman's World. Today I'm going to do a little bit of a distance test for the Garrett Pro-Pointer. And here it is right here. Okay guys, for this test I'm going to be using the Pro-Pointer, of course. And we're going to be testing to see the distance between the quarter and the Pro-Pointer, and then of course the dime, nickel, penny, and this little piece of steel and aluminum tab to see how close you have to be to this Pro-Pointer for it to actually interact with the metal. One other thing I wanted to say is I was going to actually use this bench, but unfortunately it has brackets right up at the top, and my pinpointer actually was hitting the metal that was going on there. I'll show you. See how it's doing over here. Come over in this area. So we know it'll pick up the bench brackets. So I'm gonna have to do this behind the camera and in the air. So bear with me. Okay guys, for this first demonstration, I'm going to turn on the Pro-Pointer here, and we're going to do a piece of fencing. And this is the, I guess you would say, the shallow part of the fencing. So it starts picking up, I would say, about 2 inches. And then of course when it gets closer, now I'm going to get the fat part, or the fattest part that I can, and bring it close and see where it ends. Well, it looks like it's about 2 to 2.5 inches. I think it's a little bit further away. Well, I may be wrong. I'm doing this by hand, so it's kind of hard to really tell, but I think it's about 2 inches is where it picks up at. So there's basically no difference. Okay, for this next demonstration, I'm going to use a bottle tab. Okay, as you can see, it looks like that, yeah, it has to be right up on it if it's shallow. It may not even pick it up, but you're moving the wand. So when you move the wand, you're actually going to pick it up. So it's about right on top of it, actually. Which is kind of good in a way, because of the fact that you don't want to be picking up these bottle tabs all day. Now I'm going to do the fat way, if I can get it in my fingers, and hold it the fat way and see if it's going to pick up. Okay, it does pick up, and by my calculations it's about 2 to 2.5 inches. So when it picks up. One other thing I didn't think about is this 9-volt battery may be a little dead. I have used it a little bit, and also I don't know how long it's been in the pack. It's the same 9-volt battery that when I bought this machine. So this may be a little bit of discrepancy on this because it might not be a true fresh battery. But here we go. Let's go with the penny on the thin side. Okay, it's starting to pick up at about 1/2 inch, I say. 1/2 to 3/4. Okay, let's do the fat side. Okay, it looks like about 2 inches also. Yep, that's about 2 inches. Okay, now for the nickel on the thin side. Looks like about a 1/4 inch to me. But of course, the other thing is you're going to wave this wand. So it's actually going to pick up at about 1 inch if you move it. Not even a 1/4 inch if you don't move it, but like I said, you're going to be in the ground, you're going to be moving it around, you're going to catch it. So I'd say about 1 inch. Now let's do the fat side. Let's see. That's still looking about, picking up about 2.5 inches, it looks like. Here, starts picking up about 2.5 inches. Alright, let's start with the dime on the thin side. Looks like about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Let's do a little waving. Now let's wave this, make it a little bit easier. Now, looks like about all you're going to get is about 1/2 inch if you wave it on the dime. So let's do the fat side now. Looks about like a 1.5 inches. And I gotta apologize for the planes flying over. They've decided to start flying over the house now. Yeah, looks like about 1.5 inches on the dimes. Okay guys, let's start with the quarters, the thin side. Thin side, it looks like it's picking up right at about 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch. Now let's do the fat side. Yep, looks like about 2 to 2.25 inches, maybe somewhere around in there. But of course, like I said, you're going to be moving this wand, so it's going to catch up. Yep, I'd say the range is right at 2 to 2.25 inches for a 1/4. Thanks for watching my distance review of the Garrett Pro-Pointer. Do me a favor, give me a like. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you have any other comments, please comment down below, and I'll see you next time.